Alright, time to get her done. We'll be making a vinyl shelf for records. Put some wood. Put some pallets. That's its fair. Put the show on the road. Making the sides. We're jointing those together. Broke apart the pallet. I did some biscuit jointing. Put some more biscuits in there, one in each joint. Got some other shelves. That is going to be a bottom shelf. So that'll go on the bottom shelf. Then I'll have 13 and a half, 13 and a half, and the top. So we are getting close. I just am trying to figure out how I'm going to support the shelves. If I'm just going to glue them, screw them right in, because vinyl records are going on top. They're going to be heavy. But if I put rails on, my clearance isn't going to be as high for the shelf underneath. So I have some thinking to do tonight. Wish me luck. That's where I'm at so far. Shelves are in place, but they're not glued or nailed or anything yet. Just trying to figure out final spacing, but happy with how it's turning out. Bottom shelf is on. Put glue connecting, and then I ran a drill bit, 2 screws. I fastened it first with the nail gun, and then I'm going to put a little backer board on there to strengthen up the shelf a little bit. 13 inches another one, 13 inches another one. Got some records just to make sure that I'm the right height and that everything fits. So, getting close.